Hi everyone, welcome to Online Electronics Project Competition 2024. So this is IoT and Edge AI Project Challenge with DigiKey. I really want to thanks to DigiKey team for the wonderful opportunity to submit my project, and also I got the free board. Thank you guys. My name is Karthik Nagarajan. I am an AI engineer from Sprightly Software, Chennai. So this is my project, DigiKey Voice Bot. So it will be like interactive office assistant using generative AI. So this is my project. So let's see what are the components needed for this project. Let's start with components required for IoT is Maixduino kit for AI plus IoT and TTF display and power bank. So that's it. So these are the three components for the IoT part and the generative AI parts. So I have used Longchain, ChromaDB, OpenAI Key, Swagger API, and Amazon EC2 instance. So uh, these are the components required for my project. As you guys already know, the generative AI things are very popular and trending now. That's why I made this project with generative AI and IoT. And also this project very helpful for DigiKey team because this voice bot will give basic information about DigiKey website. Okay, let's quickly explain the project step by step. So the first step will be collecting data from the DigiKey website. It means I have collected some basic information from the DigiKey website, like for example, what is DigiKey? How can make the order? How can cancel the order? How can contact them? Like that information we can extract from the website. So the second step will be creating a knowledge base for DigiKey data. So based on the DigiKey website data, it will be creating a database. That is the second step. So third step will be preparing the long chain QA chain. So based on that our knowledge base, this long chain will give the QA format. I mean the question answer format. So fourth step will be the important communicating with the Maixduino board. So this is the important part. Like how I have used Maixduino board, like the process of the project. So first will be speech recognition. So it will be the starting point of the user, like user can ask the questions like that. So I have using Wi-Fi to make the API calls. So third step will be display the response, like using the Arduino Git default display to showing the output. So this is the process. Let's see how it's working the real time. So I have already uploaded the code to Maixduino board. So now I am giving the power supply. So I have completed all the code and upload to the GitHub. So I have shared the link in the description. You can check the code as well. So I just run the Python code in the server. In the meanwhile, I'm checking the Arduino serial monitor as well. And now I am going to ask a question. Hey, who are you? Now using the API call, the question will send to the server and server will give the right response to the knowledge base. Yeah, actually we are receiving the response like I am an AI powered GK assistant like that. So now I'm going to asking another question like what is DigiKey? So again it will make a API call and get the response like yeah again we got the response. So this is the debugging mode of demo. So now I'm going to show the actual demo. Hey, who are you? Hey, what is DigiKey? How can I contact DigiKey? How can I make the order? How can I cancel the order? Yeah, this is working cool. I hope you can like my project. And also, I want to really thanks to Circuit Digest team because they have helped a lot when I implementing the code things into the Maixduino board. So really, thank you guys.